If not for mediocrity, I saw during the Christmas, I think Alex Oti commissioned a water fountain in Abia State. People were jubilating on social media. And the yardstick was that, oh, he's doing something because the former governor didn't do anything. The former governor, so they say, oh, don't criticize this man. That's how low the standard has become. When you now ask, how much has he gotten in the last 3 years? The dancing governor guy has done more work than Oti.
Governor
Adeleke has done more work than Alex Oti?
Yes.
Why? How?
Now, let me tell you why I said so. I have seen he has commissioned 82-kilometer road. 82, not 3 kilometers. And he has commissioned several of such projects. But the only difference between the dancing man and Oti is that Oti has a lot of social media people. The other guy only attends parties.
And dances.
So he's not taking propaganda serious.
The first subsidy is gone.
Fuel is almost 2,000 naira. And people are still calling the president master strategist. Master strategies in what?
If Tinubu is removing subsidy, that's what Adeleke will do. That's what Peter Obi will do.
Is this how to remove fuel subsidy? Where's all the money that was saved from removal of fuel subsidy? The president should bring back fuel subsidy because the economy is suffering. If you bring back fuel subsidy today, fuel will go down. Majority of everything we do in Nigeria, including transportation to come to this studio, is tied to petrol.
So this is what we are saying.
What are you saying?
The government says we can no longer, we are not paying subsidy. And I think that from your statement, what I deduce is that there are people who benefit that we do not know of. But if there are people who benefit that we do not know of, but there is somebody who used to pay them, who was the person paying?
They are not doing anything. Now, today in Nigeria, it's not the governors that they are subsidizing. Can you not see how fresh and big Akpabio or bigger Akpabio's stomach has become? The governors in today's Nigeria, they are earning 10 times what they used to earn before this administration came into power. Show me one governor in Nigeria today that can justify 0.05% of what they have earned.
He shot you.